أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start the remaining surah of Surah Al-Inshiqaq. So before starting this surah, if you didn't subscribe our channel, online Islamic classes, English for English videos and similar online Islamic classes, Urdu for Urdu videos, so kindly subscribe both channels and also click on the bell icon for all the new videos. So now we start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنه ظن أن لن يحور Innahu, Nun has a shadda sign, we make gunna, who belong due to invert dhamma. Innahu dhanna. Law we read in soft sound, and also this letter is from isti'la letter, that's why we read this letter in heavy sound. And on the Nun again there is shadda sign, we make gunna. Dhanna al-layn. After the Nun sakin, the next is lam, we make idgham without gunna. We do not make gunna here, but if you see the next Nun here, which is in pink color, so after this Nun sakin, the next letter is ya, which is one of from yuminu letters. So that's why if after the Nun sakin or tanween, if anyone from yuminu like ya, waw, mim, nun, anyone from these letters come, then we make idgham with gunna. And if after the Nun sakin or tanween, lam or ra come, then we make idgham without gunna. So on the first we make idgham without gunna, so we say al. And Nun we do not read, direct hamza we connect with the lam, al. And on the second place, Nun and ya both we read together with gunna, so we say lain yahur. Ha we read from the middle of the throat and also we long, this is waw madda. And when we stop here, so this ra we read in heavy sound, because when we stop here, so then ra comes with sukun sign, and before letter has also sukun sign, and before letter is with dhamma. So in this condition, ra we read in heavy sound, so we say al-layn yahur. So we say now innahu dhanna al-layn yahur. And why we are not reading Nun here? Because it is difficult to read Nun here. That's why we cannot say al-layn. Nun and lam, both letters Makharij are together. That's why this is difficult to read together. And the next is Bala. Inna rabbahu Kana bihi basira. Bala, on the lam there is a standing fatha which is equal to alif madda. So you can see after the alif madda, the hamza is coming in the beginning of the next word. So this is madde munfasil, we long here 3 to 4 seconds. So we say bala inna. And if you are looking, there is some signs are coming, Jim and 3 dots. So first make sure to know about the Jim. Jim means is optional place. If you want to continue, you can continue, or if you want to stop, so it is better. And right now we also look another sign which is 3 dots. And whenever you see the 3 dots, you will see the 3 dots are coming between the words with some distance. So you can see the first here on the stop place on the circle, the Jim and 3 dots are here. Similarly, after the bala, after one word, the next is again the 3 dots are coming. So make sure whenever you see 3 dots, so the 3 dots come 2 times, like a twice. So what is the meaning of 3 dots? If you want to continue on the first 3 dots, so then you have to stop on the second 3 dots. And also the opposite of it, if you want to stop on the first 3 dots, so then you cannot stop on the second 3 dots, then you need to continue on the second 3 dots. So that's why we stopped here, Al-Lan Yahur, and now we are continuing on this place. So we say Bala inna Rabbahu. Rab we read in heavy sound. How we long? Due to inward dhamma. Rabbahu. Kana. Kaf we long. There is alif madda. Bihi. He we long due to standing kasra. Kana bihi. Basira. Sad we read in heavy sound, and this is ya madda here we long. And when we stop here, so one fatha we skip and only one fatha we read. So then we say Basira. And then we say all together, Bala inna rabbahu kana bihi basira. Fala uqsimu. Fala uqsimu. Bishafaq. Bishafaq. Fala uqsimu. This is alif madda here. After the alif madda, the next is hamza. This is madde munfasil. We long 3 to 4 seconds. On the qaf, we read heavy sound, and then also we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala. Fala uqsimu. Uqsimu. Okay. Bishafaq. On the sheen, we make tafashi quality, and on the qaf, again heavy sound and qalqala, which is the strong qalqala right now if you stop. So we say Bishafaq. Fala uqsimu bishafaq. Wallayli. Wallayli. Wama wasaq. Wama wasaq. Wallayli. On the ya we read soft sound. This is yaleen. Wallayli. Wama, this is alif madda we long here. Wasaq. On the qaf again heavy sound and qalqala. We say Wallayli wama wasaq. Walqamari. Walqamari. Idha tasaq. Idha tasaq. Walqamari. Qaf we read in heavy sound. Ra we read in light sound due to kasra under it. Wal-qamari idha tasaq. Zal we read in soft sound, and on the qaf again heavy sound and qalqala. Idha tasaq. Wal-qamari idha tasaq. Latarkabunna. Latarkabunna. Tabaqan an tabaq. طبقا عن طبق. لتركبن. This ra we read in heavy sound because ra has a sukun sign and there is fatha on the before letter. لتركبن. Kaf we read in light sound. On the noon we make gunna. لتركبن. لتركبن. طبقا. Ta and qaf we read in heavy sound. And after the tanween, the next letter is ayn. We make izhar here, the clear sound of noon. Tabaqan an tabaq. After this noon sakin, the next is ta. We make ikhfa here, which is the heavy ikhfa. And then on the qaf, again heavy sound and qalqala. So we say tabaqan an tabaq. On the first tabaqan, this is izhar. And on the second, here an, here is ikhfa. So we say again لتركبن طبقا عن طبق. فما لهم لا يؤمنون. فما لهم لا يؤمنون. فما لهم. Mim we long due to alif madda. After the mim sakin, the next is lam. We make the clear sound of mim here. فما لهم la. La we long due to alif madda. La yu'minun. Hamza is coming with sukun sign. We make jark sound here. Noon we long due to waw madda. La yu'minun. And when we stop, so it will be madde ariz. And now we say فَمَا لَهُمْ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ وَإِذَا قُرِئَ وَإِذَا قُرِئَ عَلَيْهِمُ الْقُرْآنُ عَلَيْهِمُ الْقُرْآنُ لَا يَسْجُدُونَ لَا يَسْجُدُونَ. وَإِذَا, Zal we read in soft sound and also we long. This is alif madda. وَإِذَا قُرِئَ. Qaf we read in heavy sound, Ra we read in light sound, and this is Hamza here, so we read Hamza on the Ya. Quri'a. We cannot say Quriya because Fatha is coming on the Hamza. So we say Quri'a. Alayhimul. This is Yalin, we read soft sound. Alayhimul Qur'anu. Qaf and Ra we read in heavy sound. Hamza we long due to standing Fatha on it. Qur'anu La Yasjudun. This is Alif Madda here. La Yasjudun. On the scene we make hums and whistling quality. Do we long due to Waw Madda, and if we stop here we say Madde Aris, so it will be La Yasjudun. And also you can see here is a circle sign and another word is written which is as-sajda. As-sajda means you have to make sajda here. So this is the ayat of the sajda. So you will make sajda as you make the sajda in prayer. Similarly you will make sajda here. And this sajda is called sajda of recitation. So this sajda is a wajib on the reciter and listener as well. So we say وَإِذَا قُرِئَ عَلَيْهِمُ الْقُرْآنُ لَا يَسْجُدُونَ وَإِذَا قُرِئَ عَلَيْهِمُ الْقُرْآنُ لَا يَسْجُدُونَ بَلِ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا يُكَذِّبُونَ بَلِ الَّذِينَ. Zal we read in soft sound and also we long. This is Ya Madda. بَلِ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا. Ra we read in heavy sound and also we long due to Waw Madda. كَفَرُوا يُكَذِّبُونَ. Zal we read in soft sound. Ba we long due to Waw Madda. يُكَذِّبُونَ. And now here is a stop sign. And also you can see another signs which is a little za and solle. So both signs meaning don't stop. But on the ayat place you have optional, you can stop or you can continue. If your breath is long, so you can continue, otherwise you have to stop. So we stop now. So we say بَلِ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا يُكَذِّبُونَ وَاللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ وَاللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ بِمَا يُوعُونَ Wallahu, the name of Allah we read in heavy sound because there is fatha before the name of Allah. So we say Wallahu A'lamu. On the ayn we make tawassut quality and the soft sound we read A'lamu Bima. This meme we long due to alif madda. Yu'un. So there are two waw maddas. You, here is waw madda. U, here is as well. So we say Yu'un. Wallahu a'lamu bima yu'un. Fabashshirhum bi'adhabin alim. Fabashshirhum. So on the sheen we make the fashi quality. This ra we read in light sound because ra has a sukun sign and there is kasra before the ra. So we read ra in light sound. So we say Fabashshirhum. After the mim sakin, the next letter is ba. We make ikhfai shafawi here, the hiding sound of mim. And also we read the mim sound by joining our lips with soft sound. We say Fabashshirhum bi'adhabin. Zal we read in soft sound and also we long due to alif madda. After the tanween, the next is hamza. We make izhar here. So we say bi'adhabin alim. And if we stop, so both kasra we skip from here. We say bi'adhabin alim. فبشرهم بعذاب أليم إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون. لهم أجر غير ممنون. إلا الذين, Zal we read in soft sound and also we long here. This is ya madda. إلا الذين آمنوا. A we long, there is a standing fatha on it. Nu we long due to waw madda. آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات. Lam we connect with directly with the swad. When we, on the swad we read heavy sound and also we long. وعملوا الصالحات. Ha we read from the middle of the throat and also we long. وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر. After the mim sakin there is hamza, so we make the clear sound of mim. Lahum ajrun. On the jim we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala, and then ra we read in heavy sound. On the ra you can see there is tanween. After the tanween the next letter is ghain, which is from throttle letters, so we make izhar here, the clear sound of noon. Ajrun ghai. Ajrun ghai. Ghai, this ghain we read also in heavy sound. On the ya, this is ya lean, we read soft sound. Ghayru ajrun ghayru mamnoon. After the mim sakin the next letter is noon, we make again izhar shafawi, and on the noon this is waw madda, we long here. Mamnoon. So we say now together. إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون. So we say again. إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون. So I hope you understand this surah. And now I am going to repeat this complete lesson again, so you should repeat with me. So we start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Innahu dhanna an lan yahur. Bala inna rabbahu kana bihi basira. فلا أقسم بالشفق والليل وما وسق والقمر إذا اتسق لتركبن طبقا عن طبق فما لهم لا يؤمنون وإذا قرئ عليهم القرآن لا يسجدون بل الذين كفروا يكذبون والله أعلم بما يوعون فبشرهم بعذاب أليم إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون. So I hope you understand this lesson. If you have any kind of question regarding this lesson, please leave a message under this video. And if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. Inshallah, see you in the next class with the new surah. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.